Welcome to Asharfa English.
Greetings and small talk.
How are you today, Emma?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking, sir.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept really well.
Ready for a busy day?
Yes, bring it on.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a chicken sandwich.
Did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, it was very relaxing.
How was your morning commute?
It was smooth and fast.
How's the coffee this morning?
It tastes fresh and strong.
Are you feeling okay today?
Yes, I feel just fine.
Was traffic bad this morning?
It was worse than usual.
Did you hear about Sarah?
Yes, she got promoted today.
Are you settled in now?
Yes, I'm all set up.
Want a coffee before starting?
Yes, I'll grab one.
Did the AC get fixed yet?
Yes, it's working perfectly now.
Are you enjoying the office vibe?
Yes, it's really nice here.
Tasks and responsibilities.
Can you finish this report?
Sure, I'll handle it today.
Is the data fully updated?
Yes, everything looks correct now.
Did you check the invoices?
Yes, I reviewed them twice.
Are we missing any files?
No, everything is complete here.
Please organize the team files.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Who handles the client emails?
I manage those every morning.
Can you update the database?
Yes, I'm on it now.
Is the printer working fine?
Yes, it prints very well.
Are these the latest figures?
Yes, from yesterday's report.
Who is leading the project?
It's currently handled by Sarah.
Have you submitted your timesheet?
Yes, I did it earlier.
Did you back up the files?
Yes, all files are safe.
What's your top priority today?
Monthly data analysis.
Did you confirm the order?
Yes, the vendor replied already.
Is this your final draft?
Yes, it's the final version.
Have you notified the team?
Yes, I sent an email.
Please email me that document.
I'll send it right now.
Did you log your hours?
Yes, they're recorded accurately.
Can you schedule the meeting?
Sure, what time suits you?
Can you brief the intern?
Yes, I'll train her today.
Meetings and scheduling.
Are you attending the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
When is the next meeting?
It's scheduled for Thursday.
Who's presenting the report today?
I believe Sarah is presenting.
Did you prepare the slides?
Yes, they are ready now.
Can we reschedule our meeting?
Yes, let me check availability.
Is this room available now?
Yes, we can use it.
What's the agenda for today?
We'll review project updates first.
Can you take meeting notes?
Sure, I'll write them down.
Did everyone get the invite?
Yes, all were notified yesterday.
Please send the meeting summary.
I'll share it shortly.
Is this time good for you?
Yes, that works perfectly fine.
Can you lead the meeting?
Sure, I'll handle that today.
How long will it last?
Around 40 minutes total.
Are the clients joining remotely?
Yes, via the video link.
What platform are we using?
We're using Zoom this time.
Will refreshments be provided later?
Yes, at the break time.
Did you print the handouts?
Yes, they're ready and stacked.
Is the projector working fine?
Yes, it's connected and working.
Can you confirm attendance list?
Sure, I'll check it now.
Who's handling the technical setup?
I believe Mike is managing.
Emails, messages, and communication.
Did you reply to Sarah's email?
Yes, I responded this morning.
Please forward me that message.
Sure, sending it right now.
How often do you check emails?
I check them every hour.
Did the client email back yet?
No, still waiting for response.
Can you draft a reply?
Yes, I'll write it now.
Use a formal tone, please.
Yes, I'll keep it professional.
Did you send the invoice?
Yes, I emailed it yesterday.
What's our email response time?
Within 2 hours, if possible.
Are the emails organized properly?
Yes, sorted by project name.
Check for spelling mistakes, please.
Yes, I'll proofread everything.
Did she mention any deadline?
Yes, end of this week.
Can you create an auto reply?
Sure, I'll set it up.
Any news from the client?
Not yet, still no update.
Who's copied in this email?
You and Sarah are copied.
Can you resend the proposal today?
Yes, I'll resend it shortly.
Use CC instead of BC.
Got it, I'll update now.
Add my signature, not yours.
Sure, I'll fix that immediately.
Deadlines, feedback, and progress.
Are we on track today?
Yes, everything is going well.
What's the deadline for this?
Friday by end of day.
Are we running behind schedule?
A little, due to delay.
Please work faster on this.
Sure, I'll speed it up.
Any obstacles with this task?
No, it's going smoothly now.
What's the progress so far?
Around 80% is done.
Can we finish this early?
Yes, I'll try my best.
Have you fixed the errors?
Yes, all issues are resolved.
Did you receive my feedback?
Yes, I read it carefully.
Please improve the final version.
Okay, I'll revise it now.
Did you test the system?
Yes, it works perfectly fine.
What's your main focus today?
Finishing the monthly task report.
Are you satisfied with progress?
Yes, things are going well.
Are there any pending reviews?
No, all are completed now.
Can I see the report?
Sure, here's the latest copy.
What caused the recent delay?
The system was down briefly.
Are all sections filled out?
Yes, every field is completed.
Remote work, collaboration, and wrap-up.
Are you working from home tomorrow?
Yes, I log in early.
What's your homework setup?
Laptop, headphones, and good Wi-Fi.
Are you reachable on Teams?
Yes, I'll stay online always.
Can we use video calls?
Sure, I'm fine with that.
Is the internet connection stable?
Yes, no issues so far.
Did you submit your updates?
Yes, I emailed them earlier.
Can you join the group call?
Yes, send me the link.
Are you available this evening?
Yes, just send me details.
Can we discuss this tomorrow?
Absolutely, I'll be ready.
Are we aligned on goals?
Yes, everything's clear and set.
Any concerns before we end?
No, everything looks great now.
Are your tasks all completed?
Yes, nothing left for today.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
Finishing the client presentation draft.
Have a great evening ahead.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.